New to VTU Business, here is how to navigate the Sholadvem-Sub website like a pro. Even if you are getting started today, if you register today with this video, you will be guided on how you can get to do everything like you have been on the website for a long time. Let's dive straight into how we can navigate through the Sholadvem-Sub website. For you to be able to get to buy your data, your recharge card, to pay your NEPA bill, to generate educational pins, and to generate your prepaid meter tokens, and so many other services that we render on our Sholadvem-Sub app. Here is how you can navigate to do each and every one of these. Let's dive right into it. If this is the kind of video you love to watch, kindly smash the subscribe button, like this video, and also share to friends and family who might also be in need of something like this, or those who might want to own their own website and become a telecom service provider from the comfort of their home. Dive straight into it. And to gain access to all of these services, the first thing you need to do is to register. If you are yet to register, go to the description of this video. You are going to see the link to register on our site for you to gain access to all of the services that I will be explaining in the next video. Once you finish registering, it will redirect you to re-log in. So you'll be using the email that you use and the password to log in successfully. And once you log in successfully, you will be having this interface. You can see here on Sholadvem-Sub, we embrace the future of communication with open arms. Welcome to Sholadvem, where connection meets convenience. Best wishes, the Sholadvem website team. So we are welcoming you to our website. Proceed and boom, you will be having this interface. So presently, I don't have any money in this account, but stay tuned because I'll be walking you through how we can get to send some amount of money into this together. So once you are at this interface, let me walk us through how to navigate through all the services we render here so that it will be easier for us before we dive in to buy data, to buy recharge card, to do top up and all other things. So the first thing you need to do is, if you come to these three lines at your left hand side, click on it. You are going to see all of this. You can refer people, refer and earn. Our frequently asked questions are here. Then all of this, you can see you can request to become an affiliate for you to create an affiliate portal. So here is your profile, payment issue. That is if something happens, which does not happen because everything on our website is automatic. And should, in case you have any question, you can feel free to send me a DM using the link in the description. Also, you navigate back. That is what we have there. Here we have deposits, we have W2W, we have business, we have order. So those are some of the things we have here. And here we have our notification bell at the upper part of your right hand side where you can see 0 here. If there's any message there, you click on it for you to read. Anytime you send anything, any amount of money to your wallet, it's going to notify you from that end. So you will get notification from that end for you to be able to go through services. So let me walk us through the services we render here. Airtime top up, we have mobile data, we have TV payment, we have electric bills which you use to pay your electricity, we have the TV payment which you use for your subscription, we have the EduPins which you use to generate WAEC, NECO and GCE pins. Then we have airtime top up. If you want to send recharge card direct to someone, that is what it. Then we have mobile data. So these are all our services. You can see airtime, data, cable, subscription, electricity, education, agent portal. If you want to affiliate with us or you want to have your own personal website just like this, feel free to send me a message using the link in the description to connect with me. So that is all regarding the services we render. Then down below here we have home, we have our services which we've just walked through. So here once you click on this WhatsApp, it will take you straight to our customer care line where you will get access to ask your question, to send your messages, to say whatever you want to say to us. I hope we understand. So that is that. Anytime you have any question or if you are just getting started to use it, feel free to use that to contact us. Then profile, here is your personal profile where you have your details, your your pin and everything you need to know about yourself. I hope we get that. So that is that about how you can navigate through the Sholadvem-Sub app.